A husband and wife are waiting at the bus stop. With them are their 8 children. The blind man joins them after a few minutes when the bus arrives. They find it overloaded and only the wife and her 8 children are able to fit in the bus. So the husband and the blind man decide to walk. After a while, the husband gets irritated by the ticking of the blind man's stick and says to him, "Why don't you put a piece of rubber at the end of your stick? That ticking sound is driving me crazy." The blind man replies, "If you had put a rubber on the end of your stick, we'd be sitting in a bus right now."